I was going to say hello first, but Jude said hello. Hello, guys. Hey, welcome to Jude the Dude Reviews. His favorite YouTube shows. We're back with another episode for you guys. And I'm here with my son and my partner in crime, Jude the Dude. Yes, sir.
Poopy dude. Poop the dude.
Yeah, you can't really say poop on camera. No, really.
Poop the dude.
The poop police will come get you if you say poop on camera.
Poop the dude.
Have you ever heard of the poop police?
It's not real.
They'll come and they'll wrap you in toilet paper and carry you off to the toilet cell. Not even joking. Not joking.
Poopy doopy poopy doo.
All right, bro, you got to talk for real. Today, we're going to talk about Turbo Toy Time.
And why it's time review.
Let's save Ryan for another day. Turbo Toy Time gets a whole episode by themselves. Don't forget about your microphone, Jude. It's your friend. It's your partner. It's your doobly-doo.
Nah, what's a boobity doo?
Just a doobly-doo. So anyways, let's tell the listeners and watchers out there today that one of our favorite shows is Turbo Toy Time. What is Turbo Toy Time, Jude? Can you explain it?
It's Wyatt and Andy and all of the people.
Yeah, it's Ryden, who's the son, Andy, who's the dad, and Andy's a skateboarder, right?
Yep.
Andy's like he's either pro or semi-pro. He's good. He's got videos of his own where you can see him shredding around, on his skateboard. But yeah, Turbo Toy Time. It is father and son reviewing toys. They play with them together. They also make fun videos.
And Wyatt's video is called Turbo Toy Time.
What about Turbo Toy Time?
That's why it's so called.
Well, yeah. Don't forget to talk in the microphone.
A poopy doobie.
Poopy Doobie has nothing to do with Turbo Toy Time. Let's tell everybody how great Turbo Toy Time is, though. So it's father and son. They go outside and they play a lot. They go hunting. They go in the woods. They go skateboarding. They pie each other and cake each other in the face. And they make some of the best songs you will ever hear. What's one of the songs called and how's it go?
Pumpkin, 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 pumpkin. Oh, I know a better one.
Let's tell them first what that one's about. There's a song on Turbo Toy Time. It's their Halloween song, and it is super catchy. They hold a pumpkin, and it's kind of creepy, and Ryden, the son, goes, pumpkin,
remember that part?
They make songs. They take clips of their old shows, and they mash them together and make songs to put on their channel, and the songs are hilarious. Jude and his brother Connor crack up. What other song were you talking about?
It's called Pokemon. Of course, Pokemon. Of course, Pokemon. Pokemon.
Of course.
Jelly.
You got to hear it.
Of course.
You got to hear it.
Zelda. Of course. Zelda.
So seriously, check out Turbo Toy Time. Go listen to the Halloween song. There's a Pokemon song. What's the other ones? There's a granny trash can song?
No, it's called Greedy Granny.
Greedy Granny song. Yeah, there's a Greedy Granny song and a trash can song. But yeah.
Turn me up again. Turn me up.
I turned you up, bro.
Oh.
So yeah, would you say that you kiss the listeners. Would you say Turbo Toy Time, loss of headphones. Would you say Turbo Toy Time is one of your favorite shows?
My favorite is Ryan's Toy Review.
I know your favorite is Ryan's Toy Review, and we'll talk about them on an upcoming episode, but Turbo Toy Time is one of your favorites, I think, right?
No, sir.
Well, they're one of mine.
No, sorry.
No, sirree? They don't even get a yes, sirree from Jude the Dude Reviews. So listen, I'm going to give Turbo Toy Time a yes, daddy, because they're wholesome, they're good.
A poop Jude to me.
Yeah, poop Jude to him. He gives them a no, sirree, which is crazy because he likes them. So anyways, we are going to show you a little clip of Turbo Toy Time. And this is the pumpkin, We're doing the Pokemon song. Jude, let's show them the Pokemon song.
What are you doing, Ryden?
He's a reader boss.
Pokemon! Of course! Pokemon! Of course! Pokemon! Pokemon! Zelda! Of course! Zelda! Of course! Zelda! 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 Zelda!
Friendship.
Fireball! Pokemon! Zelda! Pokemon! 259. Pokemon!
Pokemon!
Fireball! Pokemon! Zelda! Pokemon! 259. Pokemon! Pokemon!
Fireball. Pokemon.
Dance, baby, dance. Yeah, Jude. Oh, yeah.
Pokemon! Of course!
Where's-
Pokemon! Of course! Pokemon! Pokemon! Zelda!
My favorite part coming.
Zelda! Of course! Zelda! 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 Zelda!
Here it comes.
Pokemon! Pokemon! Pokemon!
That was enough yelling. Oh, my goodness. Ah! Oh, man, that's good times. That's literally one of the best shows, like, ever. Just literally one of the best shows ever.
My favorite one is oohs a ba oohs a ba oohs a ba
Yeah, it's just awesome. It is. It's a great show. The songs are fantastic, but man, they're just fun. And I am proud to say that me and Jude the Dude are literally like 2 hours away from them. They're in Cincinnati. We're a little bit north from Cincinnati, but Turbo Toy Time, you definitely want to check them out, right, Jude?
Yes.
Are they
No.
Jude the Dude approved?
Yes, dude. The dude's not fused.
No, yet. I thought you were going to be like,
Yes, we.
we'll see you guys next time.
Sir.